Hello, welcome to the feature video of Multistep Product Configurator for WooCommerce. Go to the Settings tab inside the WooCommerce tab. Click on a Multistep Product Configurator tab. Here you can enable plugin settings. Choose a variation template style from the given 5 templates. Select tab's background color. Tabs text color. Active tabs background color. Active tabs text color. Show product or attribute thumbnail. Thumbnail, under or above the title. Display description. Apply on all variable products or specific. You can upload an image of each term and attributes for variations. Go to Attribute tab inside the Product tab. Edit any created attribute. Check the Upload Image option to upload images for each term. Click on a Configure term to upload image for each term. Edit term and upload image. Let's have a look at how the variation template looks at front end. Accordion template. Tabs template. Multisteps tab template. Multisteps classic template. Vertical tabs template. Thank you for watching.